Alright, we're going to do problems 11 through 15. So we're going to start with number 11. Replace the blank with a greater than or less than or equal to. So when we have two fractions, you have to find common denominator. Okay. So if I have 5/6, I'm going to multiply that by 5, multiply that by 5, and I'm going to get 25 over 30. Then I have 4/5, multiply that by 6, multiply that by 6, and I have 24 over 30. Okay, so now I'm going to write 25 over 30 and 24 over 30. So now you can see 25 over 30 is greater than 24 over 30. So the correct answer would be A. Okay. Number 12, we have 2/3 divided by 6/7. So we just learned this yesterday, and we're going to keep, change, and then flip. Okay, so keep the first number the same, 2/3, change the division to multiplication, and then flip the last number. So instead of 6/7, that's called 7/6. Okay, now we're going to multiply. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 6 is 18. So I can simplify. If I have 14 over 18, divide by 2, I get 7 over 9. So the correct answer is B. Okay. Then number 13, find the area of a rectangle that has a length of 8 and a width of 5.5. Okay, so we're going to work it out over here. Alright, area is equal to length times width. So if the length is 8 times the width, which is 5.5, I'm going to multiply. So 55 times 8, 5 times 8 is 40, plus 4 is 44, and then you have one decimal place. So the area is equal to 44 feet squared. Okay. Alright, number 14. It says 45 is 75% of what number? So I'm looking for the total. You have to do a proportion. So 75 over 100 equals something, or 45 over something. You don't know what that number is. Alright, so I know I can simplify this. So I know that 75 over 100, I can divide both of these by 25. So I get 3/4. Okay, so now I'm going to write 3/4 equals 45 over something. Okay, so 3 times 15 is 45. So 4 times 15 is going to be 60, okay? So the total is going to be 60. Okay. All right, and the last one. Several students were asked to name the kinds of animals they saw at the park. Determine the ratio that compares the number of cats to the total. All right, so first I have to find the total. So if I add, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 2 is 16. So the total is 16. So I'm going to have number of cats over the total. Alright, so I have 2 cats over 16 total. Okay, so I'm going to simplify, divide this by 2, and I get 1 over 8. Okay, so C is correct. Alright, and that's it.